beauties? I am say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Okay, get out. What's up, beauties? So today I am coming to you with a new video, something altogether different. Y'all ready? Y'all, I am sick of this wig, and this wig is sick of me. Like, I know it still has a little bit of lush. I'm tired of it, y'all. This was my very first time wearing a frontal, and frontals require a lot of work. And honestly, I have not washed my hair in a minute, y'all. Don't kill me, but I absolutely hate dealing with natural hair. I don't like doing it just because my hair is super thick and it requires a lot more work than just slapping a wig on, you know? So today I am going to be washing my hair, but I thought it would be super cool to try to replicate the exact same video that my best friend Ashley Aurion did. Y'all, my best friend's hair collection is buku crazy. Like, I recorded a video of me going to her house. When your best friend hair collection is so sick, you don't even have to go to the store. I said I was gonna wash my hair, and yes, God, I don't even have to go to the store. Won't God do it? Like, this is just, there are layers on layers on layers. Woo! Like, she has so many freaking hair products. I went to her house and I was like, I need this, this, and this. And so she gave me literally the products that she used in that video. And so that's what I will be using today to try to recreate the hair video that she had. Y'all, I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't know if it's gonna turn out looking anything like hers. I don't know. Okay, y'all, I get tired in the middle doing my hair, child. I got plus size arms, and then they get tired and I don't be feeling like doing it no more. So then instead of 4 little braids, I have one buku big braid. You know, like Slickum had that big old buku big dreadlock in the middle. That's what will happen to me. I will have that big old buku braid in the top of my hair because I got tired of separating it. I'm just being honest. So with that being said, just stay tuned. I will put her video, I'll probably put it in the description box somewhere, but I'm going to put a link to that exact video, and hopefully my video comes out looking like hers. Hopefully I will make her proud, because I'm starting kind of early in the day because I usually like to do stuff at night. So I'm trying it early in the day so I'll have time for my multiple breaks. I'll have time for me to take a nap. I'll have time for my 4 times that I'm probably going to quit somehow in the video. I don't know. So keep on watching if you want to see how my look turns out and if it came out similar to hers. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Do all 3, and I will see you guys in a minute. Love you. I just want to say I love y'all for real, because y'all are getting me all types of unfiltered, okay?
So I am starting off with freshly washed and conditioned hair, and yes, I am extra about my products. I am a product junkie. I love new products, y'all. And so I'm just going to show y'all my hair. I washed it in 4 sections. That's usually how I do my wash day.
Okay, sis says she washed her hair in 4 sections, so I kind of did 4. So I got my little 4 sections ready. They not as cute as hers, but I got them. What's next?
I'm starting off in 1 section, and that's how I'm really going to just go through. Put some water on that thing. Step 1 was the Hydrating Mango Hair Mist in a cute little spray bottle, so I really like that. Not too thin, not too thick, so I really like that as well. Step 2 is the Crazy Growth Oil, and so that also came in a little spray bottle. It wasn't the same kind of bottle. It was like you had to push down and push in, so it's a little bit harder. I used the pray your hands method to get that going.
This oil messed up my backdrop. This is not going good already. It's not gonna come out. Reasons why I don't do natural hair. Prayer hands. prayer hands. This better come out perfect. Back to the video. So sis forgot to put this in the video, but this, as you can see, jar is still full. So I'm assuming she didn't use that much. So I'm not going to use that much. More prayer hands. Ooh, my hair feels soft. Okay, sis, you might have something to this. How many times do you do prayer hands? She should have indicated that. Because I'm just going to do this all day until I fall asleep.
Basically, you just take 3 equal pieces of hair and you wrap the furthest one over the middle and then the next one over the middle, and you keep interchanging, and you go all the way down, and once you get to the end, you twirl your ends around your fingers so it can have the curl effect once you're done doing your hair. And so I'm just gonna finish showing y'all this braid, and then we're gonna go ahead and speed through the rest of me braiding, and I'll be back. Okay, so I forgot one quick little thing. So I use my brush to brush through and smooth the ends before I twirl it around my finger, because if your hair is all bunched up, it's gonna look a mess. So just make sure you brush through occasionally if your fingers are getting stuck, to make sure your hair is as detangled and smooth as possible. Okay, back for real, y'all.
Hello.
I messed up my backdrop.
How did you do that?
Well, I was trying to follow Ashley's tutorial and the doggone oil came out. I don't know. The oil, and I messed
The
it
oil
up.
shot out the bottom.
Yeah. Yeah. Good job, baby. You shut up.
So where did it get it at?
Right there. Right there.
Oh, now I see.
And right there.
Do you need another one? Do you need another one?
No, I'll make do with what I have.
I'm just asking. We can get you another one. That's why I asked. Man, you ain't got to put it up by yourself. I can put it up.
Y'all, I look like A$AP Rocky's little brother. After all of that, let's count one.
We got about 20. Yeah, 20.
About 20. Like she said, 20. Just say a prayer for me and my backdrop. I don't know how this is going to turn out. It is approximately 3:17 in the morning. So there goes my doing it in the daytime. I will see you guys tomorrow. Hey, beauties. So it's the next day, and sorry, it's like 11 o'clock at night, and unfortunately I got up early this morning and I didn't have time to unravel this and make a video about it, so I'm doing it now. Yes, it's at night. Yes, there's no purpose to it, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to have to get up early tomorrow too, and I just wanted to make sure it's done. So this is how I went outside today, and it worked. It worked. So I'm getting ready to unravel this, and hopefully we're going to pray. We're going to pray that this comes out right. I'm also I'm going to try to call Ashley and hopefully she approves if it looks good. If it looks a mess, then we won't call her and we won't say anything and then we'll just act like none of this ever happened, okay? Let's get started. I did it. Guys, I did it. I did it. Bree. Breezy Danielle. Bree. I did it. Hey. Y'all, I'm excited, obviously. So the only difference that I had to do versus her is one of my hair is a lot shorter than the rest of my hair. And so I was trying to figure out like what I could do. It's kind of hard to make that look appropriate without looking like Sasha Bob. So I decided to go with my two puffs and I absolutely love them. There's nothing anybody can tell me. Like my curls are extremely defined. I feel like my hair has that moisture and I feel like my curls are popping. I want to give kudos to these products because sis was not lying. They absolutely, one, smell amazing, and two, they made my curls do just what I wanted them to do. So I'm extremely happy about that. First off, I'm going to call my best friend, that Cairo chick. I'm going to put her link. It's already in my description box, but I'm going to link it somewhere over here. Y'all, this one is brutally honest. So if it looks a mess, she'll tell me it looks a mess, okay? You like my hair?
You look like your best friend.
Really? Oh.
It looks like you watched one of her videos.
I will take that as it's good.
You have clip-ins in too?
No, this is my hair.
You're doing great, bud.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
I'm done. So, sis just went to sleep on me. I was trying to hurry up through this process so I could get it together so I could call her. So, I'm going to sleep like this tonight. So, it's going to look just like this in the morning. Haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Do all three. Also, visit Ashley Aurion's page. I'm going to link her somewhere in here, over there, probably there. I'm going to link her here, and I'll also put it in the description box. Please go over and check her page so that you can see the actual video and what inspired this look. And please go ahead and follow her as well. She will take care of all your hair beauty needs, all of your natural hair needs, because this is not going to happen on the regular, okay? This is not my lane, and I believe in staying in my lane, okay? This process took how many days? She would have had this done in 30 minutes, child, and I'm sitting over here still playing. She's honestly a beast when it comes to natural hair and what to do with it, not me. Child. And don't forget to follow my other best friend, that Cairo chick. She is in school doing her thing, y'all. She's in school to become a chiropractor, and I would really love if you guys will go to her page and follow that as well, just to follow her journey and find out what it's like. It's not many times that you see a beautiful melanated queen is going to school to become a doctor, and she is recording her journey as she goes. So I think it would be super dope if you guys go to her page and you follow it as well. You know, we love to learn. But thank you guys so much. I love you dearly, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. Good morning. So I just got up and I'm actually getting ready to call Ash, and she's the last piece of this puzzle. I want to show you my hair.
Like it. You say your hair. You be saying your hair don't get curly. I see a whole bunch of curls. Okay, sis. I be telling people all you gotta do is get it some tender, loving care. Okay.
So we're all finished. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys later. Bye.